Recently, the use of artificial intelligence for side hustles and money-making has increased. One of the main tools for this was Midjourney, but it has now moved to a paid plan, which is no longer accessible to the public. Therefore, people are seeking new artificial intelligence tools that can produce similar results. After extensive searching, I discovered Leonardo.ai, which has been recently updated and can compete with other tools. The best part is that you can use your images commercially without needing a paid plan. Although there is a learning curve, if you are on a budget and just starting out, Leonardo.ai is worth exploring. In this video, I will discuss the features of Leonardo that persuaded me to use it instead of Midjourney, and I'll also share some business models that use this AI for generating passive income. To get early access to Leonardo, go to their website, click Get Early Access on the top right, and enter your email. Then, you will be directed to a thank you page and asked to join their Discord server. You can skip this step and fill in the form on the second link in the description to get whitelisted. Alternatively, you can use the app without being whitelisted by clicking Launch App on the main site and selecting Yes, I'm whitelisted. On the dashboard, you can view past creations and their settings and versions. Leonardo offers 150 tokens that reset every 24 hours for generating images, and commercial use of images is free. There is a built-in texture generation section for game developers. On the AI generation tool page, you can input your prompt and adjust settings such as the number of images, image dimensions, guidance scale, and tiling. Two options are available for generating images: image to image and image prompt. Leonardo is useful for creating patterns and backgrounds. You can sell these products on online marketplaces like Etsy. By selecting the tiling option, you can create a repeating pattern. With this prompt, you can generate some incredible patterns. Next, you can upscale your design and use it to sell on Etsy. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that can print your digital image on their products, which you can then sell. The best part is that Printify handles the packaging and shipping of the product to your customers, so there is very little work required on your part. Let's take a look at how we can create a pillow using Printify. First, go to the Printify website, select the pillow product, and start designing. Upload your pattern from Leonardo and click Create Pattern. This will infinitely duplicate your image. After that, position it in your product and preview it. You can use this method to create designs for many other products, including shower curtains, shoes, shorts, and more. Since you're only responsible for creating the designs and uploading them on Etsy, and Printify handles the rest, this is one of the easiest side hustles to get started in 2023. If you found this video informative and are considering using Leonardo for your creative endeavors, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below. And if you want to stay updated on more content like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.